Hi guys, so if you are searching any app in Spotlight, it's not searching for app, then how to fix it? Just what you have to do, you have to just go to Launchpad since Spotlight is not working, and in Launchpad just look for terminal, okay, and just open terminal, and now you have to run these two commands: sudo mdutil -eai off and sudo mdutil -eai on. Okay, so let's type sudo mdutil -eai on off. Okay, this is the command. First we'll off it. It'll ask for password. Enter the password, and now again type sudo mdutil -eai on. Hit enter, and that's it. And now first of all, try whether it's working or not. If it's not working, then wait for the indexing to get completed and then restart, and your problem will be fixed. Okay, so this is the first fix. The second fix is just click on this Apple icon and click on system settings, and now you have to click on Spotlight to go on Spotlight, and now here just find apps. Okay, applications, just uncheck this, restart your computer, come back and check this on again, and wait for Spotlight to index things. Once it gets indexed, your problem will be fixed. If this is also not working, then try updating your Mac, because when you go to general and software update and you find any update, try to update it and restart it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.